Still not getting clicks on Etsy? Your product photos might be the reason. In this video, we'll break down what makes a product photo actually sell on Etsy. With real examples and AI-powered tips, you can transform product shots into stunning lifestyle scenes in just a few seconds without a professional setup. By the way, this tool reached the top of the Product Hunt leaderboard on August 1st, and many users commented that it could be a game changer for the e-commerce space. Etsy is a visual platform. The thumbnail for your product pretty much determines whether a viewer will scroll past or click your listing. And lifestyle photos don't just look good, they perform well too. In fact, listings with lifestyle images can see up to 42% higher conversions. That is a lot when it comes to selling products on your store. But getting professional lifestyle shots is not so easy. You either have to pay a photographer or spend hours trying to do it yourself in Photoshop. But what if AI could do it all for you in seconds? Let's break down what makes an Etsy-ready image in 2025. High clarity, crisp, noise-free, well-lit images with proper resolution. Use natural light or AI tools to clean up lighting. A strong composition. Keep your product centered and easy to focus on. Avoid clutter, the background should support the product, not distract from it. A clean, on-brand background. White or neutral backgrounds work well for many categories. Use AI to generate lifestyle, seasonal or aesthetic backgrounds that fit your brand. Contextual styling. Show your product in use, for example a lit candle on a cozy table or clothing worn by an AI model. It helps the buyer imagine how they'll use it. A consistent gallery of images. Include multiple angles, close-ups and size comparison shots. Keep styling consistent across the gallery to build trust. Xdesign will handle all of this for you with AI, no Photoshop needed. So here's how Xdesign's AI background generator actually works. You first start by uploading a simple product photo, ideally with a plain background. The AI automatically removes the background, leaving just a cutout of the product. Then the magic happens. You pick a lifestyle background that suits your store style, and AI will generate the final images. You can place your product into a cozy living room corner, a bedroom, an office setup, or a kitchen, whatever suits the style you want. With the auto-generated listing sets, you can generate multiple types of product images all at once. Upload your product photo and Xdesign will generate polished images, including one main image, lifestyle image, handheld, and detail shots. The candlelit effect is perfect for those moody, cozy product vibes. Xdesign's AI will light the wick of the candle in your photos, bringing it to life and giving it a professional, true-to-life look and feel. There are 3 different background modes to choose from. Presets, choose from different pre-made styles like coffee table, kitchen table, etc. Clone, where you can upload your own style shot and replicate the look across new products. Or custom AI prompts. You can describe the vibe you want, like Scandinavian kitchen, soft daylight, and the AI will build it for you from scratch. Okay, let's see all that in action so you can see the exact process to create the product images for your own Etsy store. For this first example, I took a very simple picture of a candle with a plain background, nothing special. After I pick the best image, I'll then upload the image to the Xdesign website. For this first example, I'm going to use the custom background generator. This allows me to type into the AI prompt whatever I want the background to be, and the AI will generate the background for me. I would like the final photo to have a somewhat rusty, cozy feel, so I'm going to type old rustic shelf, surround it by some books with a nice warm glow from a lamp. And I also would like the candle to be lit, so I'm going to use the candle lit effect, which will light the candle and just make everything look so much more professional. And here is the final image. As you can see, the AI has generated a background which is pretty perfect, I think. We have the nice bookcase, a rustic shelf, and a nice warm glow from the lamp. And the candle is also lit, and I think this lifestyle shot of this product looks pretty perfect. For the next example, I'm going to use this very simple coffee cup. Again, I'm going to place it on this plain shelf with a plain wall in the background and take my product photos. Again, a pretty plain, simple and quite boring product shot. For this example, I want to create a set of images, so I'm going to use the preset section and then choose an option which says set, like this one right here. And just like that, the AI will generate me a set of images with some variations. We have a person holding the cup in this picture, a more detailed shot here on this wooden surface, and then a slightly wider shot with the cup by itself. And another variation in the kitchen here with some nice light and also some steam coming from the cup, which is a nice touch. And now we have a nice set of images for this product. Let's do a quick recap of the key benefits. There's no design skills needed. You can create a full product image set in minutes. You have nice brand consistency and a professional look. It's all super affordable and beginner friendly. If you're an Etsy owner, and especially a beginner or solo shop owner, then the X-Design tools can really be a game changer for giving your store a really professional look. I have tried these tools with many different products and it just saves so much time. Try the X-Design AI background generator for yourself, the link is in the description below. Give your Etsy store the best chance of being successful. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see future videos just like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.